Hello Eagle Targeters, welcome back to our channel, where we consistently deliver the latest and fastest updates in the field of current military affairs.
South Korea continues to solidify its presence in the global defense market, with the K808 8x8 White Tiger Armored Personnel Carrier APC making waves as its latest success. This state-of-the-art vehicle, developed by Hyundai Rotem, has gained international recognition, with Peru becoming one of the first export destinations, securing 30 units. The deal underscores a growing trend of strategic partnerships and technology transfers between South Korea and its global allies. Peru's Ministry of Defense recently confirmed the procurement of 30 K808 8x8 White Tigers to bolster the nation's military capabilities. The acquisition, valued at approximately $62.9 million, or 238.8 million Peruvian sols, represents a pivotal step in modernizing the Peruvian Army's 3rd and 6th Armored Brigades. The deal was brokered through FAME SAC, Peru's state-owned defense enterprise, ensuring the integration of local industry into the production process. This collaboration includes a transfer of technology, enabling Peru's domestic industries to contribute to assembly and future maintenance. This partnership is part of Peru's larger public investment project, PP framework, aimed at enhancing national defense while reducing reliance on external supply chains. By involving FAME SAC, the Peruvian government hopes to create a sustainable ecosystem for the assembly and upkeep of the K808, fostering defense self-sufficiency over the long term. The K808, known domestically in South Korea as the Biko, is a highly versatile APC designed to thrive in challenging environments and frontline operations. Introduced in 2016, it has been a cornerstone of the South Korean Army, with over 500 units in active service. The K808 boasts an 8x8 drive configuration, enhancing its maneuverability across diverse terrains. Equipped with run-flat tires and a central tire inflation system (CTS), it adapts to varying ground conditions, from rugged landscapes to water crossings. The vehicle's modular platform allows for customization, supporting an array of mission-specific configurations. It can accommodate a remote-controlled weapon station, RCWS, with a heavy machine gun or a 30mm cannon, making it an adaptable asset for troop transport, reconnaissance, or command roles. The K808 is operated by a crew of 2 to 3 personnel, including a driver, commander, and gunner. Its spacious rear compartment accommodates up to 10 fully equipped troops, making it ideal for tactical deployments. The export of the K808 is part of South Korea's broader strategy to strengthen its defense industry and build international alliances. Hyundai Rotem's success with the K808 is complemented by other ventures, including a contract signed by Hyundai Heavy Industries in April 2024 to construct 4 naval vessels for Peru's Navy. These initiatives highlight South Korea's commitment to fostering robust defense partnerships through advanced military technology and cooperative agreements. The acquisition of the K808 White Tiger marks a significant milestone for Peru, enhancing its armored vehicle fleet while building domestic capabilities through technology transfer. For South Korea, this deal reaffirms its position as a key player in the global defense market, showcasing the versatility and effectiveness of its military innovations. As the K808 continues to prove its value on the international stage, it serves as a testament to the growing demand for South Korean defense solutions, shaping a future where strategic collaborations and cutting-edge technology redefine modern warfare.
Thank you for watching. Hopefully, this show can broaden the knowledge for you and your family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help grow this channel even bigger.